life is full of surprises. But sometimes God gives us surprises. And sometimes those surprises can be delightful. We had a herd of llama that we rescued from the fire and got them down to safe pastures. And a month and a half later, all of a sudden, here was this baby in the herd. And he just was born, and it was a surprise. We didn't know he was coming. And he turned out to be the biggest warm fuzzy, not just for us, but for our community. And it was like God gave us this stuffed toy. He was, from the beginning, just a people lover. In fact, when he first stood up when he was born, he went straight to a child and just went up to him. And since then, he's loved people, he loves dogs, and he loves children. And we realized this little guy is so tame, maybe we should make him a therapy llama, a comfort animal. And right now, llamas are all the rage. There are pictures of llamas, you can buy toys, there's all these things, and God gave us a real one. And it's just been such a delight to share. And God has been opening all these doors for this little llama whose mother carried him through the fire, and we named Phoenix Hope. It's a name that our fellow survivors can connect with immediately. All we have to do is tell them his name is Phoenix Hope, and they get it. And they go, of course. And I realized that God's timing knows no haste and no delay, and because he knows what he's going to do ahead of time, and he's got the plan. And that's what Phoenix taught me to do for him, is I knew what I wanted to do with him, where I was going to take him, what we were going to do that day, but I needed to be gentle and soft and slow. And I realized that's how God talks to me. Maybe we should use him for God's work and glory and bring joy to everyone. And so why not use him as a comfort animal, as a therapy llama? And that's what we've been doing. We've been taking him up the hill every week, once a week. It's our Friday tradition. And he stands in front of the clinic and he just greets everyone that comes. And he acknowledges every single person, makes each person feel important, because he goes right up and touches them with his nose and says, I'm interested in you, and who are you? And I want to be with you, and pet me. And it's just been an amazing, unexpected joy and delight. And it's just so wonderful, because the more people he greets, the calmer he becomes, and he's just so interested in every single person. He will go right up to them, and the way you say hello in llama is by touching with your nose. And so he'll touch people's hand, or if they put their face down, he'll touch their nose, and it's just as soft and fuzzy as a rabbit. Well, Phoenix doesn't have to do anything except just be there. And he makes us happy, and he gives us joy. And he does that for everybody that see him, and they touch him, and he's so soft and fuzzy, and he just cheers us up. We are here because we cheer God up. We make him happy. We exist for his joy and his glory. You're looking around the clinic and everything is just destroyed. It's like a war zone. But when people see him, they focus on him completely. And that's just what God did for us through him. God gave us this amazing little distraction to get our focus on his creation and to just really stabilize us emotionally, and realize that there's other things to set your mind on.